The year was 1066, and the air was thick with anticipation as two vast armies, one Saxon, one Norman, prepared for battle. King Harold Godwinson, the Saxon king, and William the Conqueror, the Duke of Normandy, stood on opposite sides, each with a vision for his people and his realm. Harold, a man of the people, had taken the throne after the death of Edward the Confessor, despite William's claim to the throne. His reign had been marked by unity and prosperity, but his claim was contested, setting the stage for a clash that would change the course of England forever. On the morning of October 14th, the armies met at Senlac Hill near Hastings. The Normans, with their heavy armor and disciplined formation, faced the Saxons, who relied on their superior numbers and battle-hardened warriors. The day was a test of strength, strategy, and will. The battle raged for hours, with neither side gaining a decisive advantage. Shield walls clashed, arrows flew, and the earth was stained with the blood of the fallen. It was a scene of chaos and carnage, a testament to the ferocity of both sides. But it was William's tactical brilliance that ultimately turned the tide. He ordered his knights to charge the Saxon lines, breaking their shield wall. Harold, struck by an arrow, fell, and with their king dead, the Saxon resistance crumbled. The Battle of Hastings was a crushing defeat for the Saxons. William was crowned King of England, and his Norman conquest marked the end of the Anglo-Saxon era and the beginning of the Norman era. Generations would feel the impact of this event, shaping the language, culture, and institutions of England for centuries to come. The Battle of Hastings was a testament to the power of ambition, the price of war, and the indelible mark that history leaves on us all. It serves as a reminder that the choices we make today can shape the world we inhabit tomorrow.